Today we will study to calculate the area of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral which is not a square, neither it is a rectangle, nor it is a rhombus. If we are given a quadrilateral, then how to calculate its area? Here we will divide this quadrilateral into two parts, that is two triangles. And we will be given the two altitudes, one from the vertex D and another from the vertex B. Let us assume this as h1 and length of this altitude, that is the other altitude, be h2. So we can write, or we can see that the area of this quadrilateral ABCD is made up of two triangles, that is one of the triangle is ABC and the other triangle is ADC. So we can write that area of quadrilateral as AC into h1 and half, since the area of a triangle is half base into altitude plus half AC into h2. Now we are having half and AC as common, so we will take half and AC as common, and the remaining part will be h1 plus h2. So the area of the quadrilateral will be half into diagonal and sum of the opposite altitude, or we can say the sum of the offsets. Let us understand this using an example. We have to find the area of a quadrilateral whose diagonal AC is 19.5 centimeter and the altitude from the opposite sides are altitude from the opposite vertex, or we can say the offsets are 5.4 centimeter and 10.6 centimeter. That is, if we are given a quadrilateral ABCD, then the diagonal AC is 19.5 centimeter and the altitude from the opposite sides, that is one of this altitude is 5.4 centimeter and the altitude from this vertex is 10.6 centimeter. So the area will be half into AC into the sum of the offset, that is 10.6 plus 5.4. So it will be half. AC is 19.5 centimeter and sum of this two offsets comes out to be 16 centimeter. So it will be equals to, cancels out 4 times and come out to be 156 square centimeter. So the area of this quadrilateral is 156 square centimeter. What we have to do is simply multiply one of the diagonal and sum the opposite altitudes. दोनों साइड डायगनल्स पर जो altitudes हैं उन दोनों का सम करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है उसके डायगनल से और उसको हाफ कर देना है. तो we will get the altitude, we will get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Next figure that we have to study is trapezium. A trapezium is a figure or quadrilateral which has only one of the pair of side parallel. That is, if ABCD is a trapezium, then AB is parallel to DC and AD and BC are the non-parallel sides. Now let the length of AB be A unit and DC be B unit. Now let us draw an altitude from the opposite vertex to side DC and let it be as H unit. So the area of the trapezium will be half h, that is the altitude, into sum of the parallel side, that is a plus b. These are the two parallel sides. So sum of the parallel sides into height into half. It will be equals to the area of trapezium. Let us see an example on the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is 384 centimeter square. Its parallel sides are in the ratio 3:5, and the perpendicular distance between them, that is the parallel side, is 12 centimeter. We have to find each side. Now, since the sides are not given but their ratios are given, so we can assume one side as 3x centimeter and the other side as 5x centimeter. Now we are given the height, that is equals to 12 centimeter, and we know the area is also given, that is 384 centimeter square. Now we'll simply apply the formula that area is equals to half into height into sum of the parallel sides, that is a plus b. So area, that is 384 centimeter square, will be equals to half into h, that is 12 centimeter, into 3x plus 5x. So 384 centimeter square is equals to 1. Here 2 will cancel 12 6 times, so it will be equals to 6 centimeter into 8x centimeter. So 384 centimeter square will be divided by 6 centimeter, that will be equals to 8x centimeter, and also we can write it as 8x is equals to 64. This will give us x is equals to 8. So we have calculated the value of x. Now we can substitute the value of x in the two sides. So one side will be equals to 3 into x centimeter, that is 3 into 8 centimeter. It will be equals to 24 centimeter. The other side will be equals to 5 into x centimeter, that is equals to 5 into 8 centimeter. It will be equals to 40 centimeter.